One more question, many would like to work. So they're asking ki, what is your view on online MBA programs, either short term or long term, but management programs done online from reputed universities, in India and abroad, there are many who are offering. So how is the industry looking at this acceptability in the days to come?
I see, I can tell you one thing, the attitude is changing already. See, ultimately people buy skill and attitude. So even if you are not from IIM, there are people who, I know startups, they don't touch IIM because IIM are not in sync with the realities of life. But still, IIM gets better wives, they get better jobs, better salary. But fact remains, it all depends on the individual. So whether you do it on online, it's fine. I cannot do CAT, so I will not do MBA. That's wrong. Today, online MOOC courses are doing well. You paid courses are doing well. You please do. MBA is what? It is a tool and technique to help you access problems, real life problems. And when you do online, advantages in your own time, you can work and do it. You have at your pace rather than going to a class and going through Hajaro projects and all that. So to my mind, online is a reality. In fact, the more you do online, you will be in sync with the new workplace because remote working will be a reality of life. I think tomorrow touching someone will be out of order because touching is not in sync. At the same time, we have to be collaborative. At the same time, we have to work together. So I think my 4 hours travel have gone away from my job going. I think working from home, my productivity has gone up. So online is very good. See, online, there is no discussion. That is hygiene now.
Yes, so true, so true. Absolutely. In fact, I must add here, a lot of business schools are incorporating online curriculum from best of the content providers from the world in their normal post-graduation or MBA or master's curriculum now, because there are skills some faculty may have and there are skills which some colleges may not have. So it's better to collaborate and bring those modules in the curriculum.
I think it's a very exciting time for all these young people who are coming out and all that you are very technology friendly by nature. You don't have to go to NIIT to learn technology, but you have to now upskill that because please understand the post-2000 born, post-2010 born will be smarter than you. So you have to compete. Power has shifted towards that young generation. So you need to be always at the cutting edge of knowledge. Otherwise, experience has no meaning. I always say experience is a liability if you are not forward moving. So that I have got 20 years experience. I know 30 years experience. Whenever any candidate tell that to me, I say, this is finished. Because the 30 years is like looking at rear view mirror and moving forward. Can you drive like that? You can't. So digital is given. So you are a generation which is the most blessed that rest assured you will be at the cutting edge of any job. Anyone would prefer to recruit you.